Are you missing calls on your Rogers phone? It's often due to call forwarding or blocking features. Call forwarding redirects incoming calls to another number, like your voicemail or a different phone. Call blocking prevents specific numbers or suspected spam from reaching you. Both are managed through phone codes, the My Account app, or the Rogers website. A common issue is accidentally activating call forwarding or overzealous spam blocking. By default, Rogers blocks on average 85% of spam calls. Rogers has invested heavily in infrastructure upgrades, including expanded 5G coverage. To check your call forwarding status, dial #21. To deactivate call forwarding, 21. Make sure airplane mode is turned off. If you're still not receiving calls, let's troubleshoot. Open the My Account app and check if call forwarding is enabled or if any numbers are blocked. You can also manage blocked numbers by dialing 60. Temporarily disable auto blocking to see if that resolves the issue. Restart your phone. Check your SIM card is properly inserted. Confirm your Rogers APN settings are correct. Log into your My Account online to ensure there are no service suspensions due to billing issues. If the problem persists, contact Rogers support at 1-888-ROGERS-1. They can run network tests or replace your device if it's under warranty. As of late 2025, the Rogers My Account app includes automated diagnostics for call forwarding issues.